Khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jala Conrad ke Sangma ula penchai bahag jinya soy sekolah ke sorkar Jala lingba ke tanah jengok kai perthai kala kedau dak basai bakan omdan kunu ke Jingthmu ke bane Junom hagado lenong Lumpongdeng hau kerwa belpha sigala perthai khubor lingba ke Durki hadi ke jingi ki shat khan klemput sngi dak dikhot ke Green Tech Foundation haga khandai tri uya yong arja apun rio. Menteri Rangba ula penchai shu bakat kum ke sekolah la ai jing bet tang ban bu yagi stol ba Shipor ki pandal ki bala ban wengno hagnu por tang syukut ki program kumba jule awot slek khnang bakan kta ki marat ki mereng ki badan hagado lenong ulai thuru ba jing ai ga consent to establish kalongkat kum jing ai jing ben jo ka tanat khlaw sarkar Jala hakikat to ka ni ki kandon.
Dear friends, there have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead, that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.